Hey, welcome everybody to this video. I have here the Benks case for the iPhone 17 Pro. Now this is their Armor Grid lightweight minimalist case built with DuPont Kevlar in the color Azure Blue. You can also get this in an Obsidian Black and a Terran Orange. Right now, as of the filming of this video, this particular Azure Blue is going for $43.99. Now, this is crafted from 100% genuine DuPont Kevlar. The Armor Grid case for the iPhone 17 Pro offers like exceptional strength in an incredible light form. Its deep blue finish delivers a sleek, minimalist look while offering rugged, long-lasting protection. Measuring just 1.2 millimeters thin and weighing in at 22.2 grams, this slim protective case for the iPhone 17 Pro delivers reliable daily protection without adding bulk. Raised edges around the camera help prevent scratches and impact damage. It does have built-in precision aligned magnets, making this a MagSafe case, fully compatible with all the magnetic accessories you may have, including magnetic wireless charging, card holders, car phone mounts, ring holders, and stands, giving you full access to the whole world of magnetic convenience. Now, using advanced float weaving technology, this iPhone 17 Pro case fuses the Azure Blue elegance with the enduring protection. Its 3D micro texture surface offers a refined tactile grip where modern craftsmanship meets strength and style. Benks was kind enough to include their magnetic phone grip. Now you can get this in colors to coordinate with the particular phone you got. They sent me the Terra Blue one. This magnetic grip does offer 360-degree rotational of the kickstand feature. Has a very strong magnetic feature, and it also offers a pop socket in the center. You can use that for a much more secure hold. Also, it is made from Kevlar itself. Everything is matched perfectly, does not add bulk to the actual case itself, and everything is very pocketable. Also, keep in mind this case does have a UV coating which resists fingerprints, oil, and smudges, keeping your device looking fresh longer. Now, if you find this is a case that you would like, I will have the links for it down below. And if you're interested in it, by all means, use my link because it does help out the channel. So that pretty much does this for the Azure Blue Benks Armor Grid lightweight case for the iPhone 17 Pro. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I catch everybody in the next video. I'm out.